Hello everyone, it's me, Kayleigh, and today's video, as you can see by the title, I am going to be cleaning my messy room because it's got to the point where there's just a pile of clothes which need putting away on my chair, the floor's messy, my bed's not made, so I thought, why not film a video of me doing it? Also, don't mind my nails, they are clear at the moment because I'm waiting for my white nail polish to come through the post and then I'll be painting them white. So we're just going to deal with clear nails for now. So yeah, let's get on with the video. I'm just going to show you around my messy room first. Then we come in the door and then we have my chest of drawers, which obviously need to put the jewellery away. This needs a new battery, like it's not even 9 o'clock right now. Need to take my mug down from this morning. Bed is messy, laptop's there. That corner of the room is just a mess. Desk's a mess, fan needs to go out, it's freezing at the moment. This is all messy. My new school bag, just a pile of clothes there. All of this needs to go away, these are dirty. Yeah, that just got dumped there. Down there needs sorting, mainly my pillows, my bed actually. So yeah, I have quite a bit to do. So let's crack on. First of all, I'm going to sort out all of my clothes. I'm going to pick up the dirty clothes off the floor and dump them all on my bed. But before that, I'm going to make my bed to make my room look all nice and tidy. So now I'm going to make my bed, which is here. My phone's really low to film this, but first of all I need to put the laptop down there for now, move that off. Now I haven't slept with a blanket on my bed for a while, like the actual like keep me warm blanket, you know. But now it's getting cold again, which isn't great because I live in the UK, so it's like hot, cold, hot, cold. It's like the weather's just a bit all over the place. So I'm just gonna make the bed and not break a nail.
I never make my bed like properly anyway because I'm like always on it or either in it, but just to make it look okay.
I mean, at the end of the year, I'm actually getting my room redone, probably in like October time. It's currently literally the end of something at the moment, August. Wow. Okay, my bed's made. Wow. Now we're going to sort out my clothes. Now we're just going to dump all the clothes that are on my floor on my bed so I can sort them out. Oh my god, there's so many socks. Those socks go under my desk. Belt. Okay. So that's quite a lot. Now we're just going to sort out what the hell we need. Right. We're moving this fan out. The chair. No, you can't see anything. This is my hanger to put my belts on. I just feed them through here, and then I have my belts. I only have black and brown because, yeah, and they're all thin. I need some thicker belts, but here. We're just gonna put away my clothes. Just tuck them away. Some of the clothes I'm still wearing, but I don't think I'm gonna wear these again because I don't think it's gonna get hot again, so they're just gonna go to the washing. That can go in the washing. Soaking that. That's my pyjama top. I know it's incredibly dirty, but I'm probably gonna get my bed changed soon, so just give it a nice fold. I'm not even in shot. Love that. Just shove that behind the pillow there. Oh my days. Lost a sock. We'll find it. My wardrobe's messy. I need to revamp it and get some nice clothes in there, but for now I guess it's okay. Oh, I need money to do that, and I have no money because someone decided to actually go on the LA trip with school, so that's just made me incredibly broke. So yeah, I'm just going to do a little time lapse of me putting away this now.
I have cleaned the majority of my room now. There is a little few bits which obviously I can't move yet because I'm going to be taking them to school and stuff, which starts next Wednesday on the 4th of September. My last year of school, year 13, very exciting. I will be doing a What's My School bag, like when I've been at school for like a week or so it's actually worthwhile doing. At the moment there's literally nothing in it, so literally just bought it for like £30. No, I bought it for 20 actually, very expensive. So yeah, I'm just going to give you a scan of my room.
Obviously this tissue won't be there, but this is looking a lot more tidier. I've got my necklace here, a little dolphin one. I really love this one. I'm gonna wear that a lot more because I love it. Got my crystals. This one's meant to be leaning up against that middle one, but hey ho. Just got this from B&M when I did. I'll probably do a room tour, but I think I'll probably do a room tour of this room before I get it redone, so then you can kind of see the transformation. Up here hasn't changed because that's just always looking amazing. This I need to take downstairs, but I'll do that in a minute. Got my bed made, that goes up there. My boyfriend got that for me, it's really cute. Tissues, need to give it a bit of dust down, but anywho, got my laptop there. The corner of my room is looking a lot more cleaner. Shelf, just ignore that. Desk, can't really do anything about it because they're all photography books over there. This is a photography book of artwork from a university I want to go to. I went around and looked around their work, and then this is just all their work in a book. This university is University of the Arts in Norwich University of the Arts. That's where I want to go eventually, hopefully. Just got a nail polish, which is my grandma's here, and some paint from school, which I'll give back when I go back to school. This is just flashcards. None of them are written on in there though. Down here, this is what my portfolio is going to be in for uni. Down there I haven't really touched and I don't want to touch. I've just got my beanbag and stuff. Here I've got my chair. On my chair I've just got my work uniform because I've got work later. My wardrobe's all nice. These are my hot water bottles, which I use in winter or if I've got a bad stomach. This one I got for Christmas last year. No, I didn't. I bought this one from Byeeeee, I think. And then this one I got gifted by my grandma when I was younger. So yeah, that one's just Cuddle Me, and this one's just a little moose. It's really cute. This shelf is just my perfume station, my lipsticks. Got the acrylic organizer from Amazon years and years. This heart rock is from Greece, I'm pretty sure. My mum found it for me and then I brought it home. Just got my drawers here, which are all okay. Got my school bag there. And yeah, the floor's looking better. They're just my chargers, rug, yeah. So that is my room all clean. Obviously on my window shelf, this will go in my school bag once I've filled it up with like medication and things like that. But apart from that, my room is looking clean. A lot cleaner than it did like 30 minutes ago, which I'm really happy about. So yeah, it's about 10:30 now, which is good. So yeah, don't know what the time is because well, my phone's there and my watch isn't working. So yeah, if you have any other videos that you'd love me to do, then please comment them below or message me on my Instagram or Snapchat if you have it. If not, you can just write it in the comments below and I'll be sure to do it for you. I do have a list on my laptop of videos here in this blue box here that I want to film, so hopefully I'll get those to you by this year, which is nice. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos or maybe 6 videos here to film, which is lovely. So yeah, and then I just have like obviously my to-do list and what I've actually completed on it, which isn't a lot, but yeah. So look out for a what's in my school bag video very soon, probably in the next couple weeks, which is very exciting. I've already got a few bits and pieces in here. This umbrella obviously isn't going to stay in the side compartment, but it could if I wanted it to, but it's got 2 zips and stuff, so yeah, I'm very excited to film some videos for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please give this video a like and please subscribe down below and share with all your friends because that would mean the world to me. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.